Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Basetao and how to sign up with them. I will be going through the entire process from the moment of signing up all the way through to creating a package and shipping it to you with your replicas in it. So first things first, I will be using a couple of links. These links will be in the description of the video as well. So if you need anything, please look there, they're all there. I will also link this guide that I've written on the subreddit. I will also link that, so if you prefer a written guide, you can also look there. So first things first, let's start with signing up, because I'm assuming that most people that will be watching this won't have an account yet. Usually when you sign up with Basetao, you start at a 5% service fee. And the more you use Basetao, the lower your service fee will get, and this will result into getting 0% service fee. Luckily, there's collaboration between the Fashion Rep subreddit and Basetao, and if you sign up via the affiliate link from the subreddit, you will instantly get a lower service fee than you would if you didn't use any referral links. I also have my personal referral link in the post as well, so if you want to help me out, that's also very much appreciated. I do have to be honest and say you will get less points from it than with the subreddit's affiliate link, but it would help me out as well. So first things first, let's start with signing up. So I will click on the referral link. It will open up a new tab with Basetao. Then I already have an account, so you say okay, get started. So you fill out your username, you fill out your email address, you fill out a password, you repeat the password, and then you click on go. So that's how you sign up with Basetao using one of the referral links. Alright, so now next step will be placing an order. So I will open up a new Basetao tab for that as well. I've already logged in, so I don't need to log in again. If you want to log in, there's a login button here where it says your username. Firstly, let's find something nice that we want to buy. So let's just go on subreddit. Let's find a nice link. Alright, so I found one of the products that I want to buy. So what you do is you first look at you copy the URL from the item. So we copy that. Then we go to Basetao. And then you notice the bar here, and then you paste your link in. Then you click on search. And then what will happen is if you're using, if it's an item from Taobao, as we're using right now, it will load up this UI. It will basically be Taobao all over again, where it will let you select a size, it will let you select a color. So in this case it's not really possible because there's no different colors or sizes. And then you click on add to cart. Now it's been added to my shopping cart, so we can go to the shopping cart and we can see, okay, it's in our shopping cart now. But it can also be that you have an item from Vegan. So we go to Vegan, and here it's a little bit different. So what we do is, again, we're going to copy the link. We're going to quickly check which models and stuff there are, because of course we want to get the right size shoe. So we see, okay, all sizes are available. Go back to Basetao, we paste the URL again, we search. Now we will get an error message, no worries, just click on OK, and this will load up the self-help order service. So what you do is you fill everything in. So for the item URL, we have the item URL, item name. I always just copy the full title. Seller's name here is, let's wait for it, so see a very long name. Don't put too many tags in because that will give an error, so I just do Vectomlai because that's short. Price of the item is 218, 2.8. Domestic shipping is, we can see, 8. Then our color, we don't need to specify anything because there's no color, and our size would be 42. Then again, we click on add to cart, and then we go to the shopping cart. It works the exact same if you want to buy something from a UPO seller. You just put in UPO code, you put in the size, you put in the color, the name, whatever. In case you have a UPO seller who hasn't listed the prices, or you don't know the price, what you do is you set your price to 1, and then you put a note with your order to say, hey, can you please ask for the price. So if you want to do that, you just click on a little pencil here, and then you can say, please ask for the price of the item. Then you confirm, and then now the note is attached to your order. So if you want to buy some stuff, all you need to do is you select the stuff you want to buy. So for instance, I want to buy the coat. I'll go all the way down. Oh, didn't select it. So I select the coat, I go all the way down. Now see, selected items 1. I go to checkout. Then you have the checkout page. You can see, okay, well, do I want to remove the packaging? So if, for instance, if you're buying shoes and you don't want to keep the box, you click on remove packaging, and then the Basetao staff will remove the box for you and only store your shoes. Then we click on submit to pay. Now the order has been made successfully. So then you can click, okay, view this order. Now this takes you to where most of your stuff in Basetao will happen, which is the my order page, where you can see I have 1 pending order because it's Sunday today, so they won't be ordering it directly. I have 4 items that have the ordered status, so those have been ordered from the sellers, and I have 15 items on arrived, which means that they are already in the warehouse. So yeah, that's how you place an order using Basetao from Vejian, Yupo, and Taobao. So the next step is checking if you want to keep the item, so checking your quality control pictures or QC pictures. So for that, we wait a bit until our items arrive in the warehouse, and then we go to the order tab, and then I can see, okay, these I have on ordered. Then we go to the arrived one. So here you can see a little picture icon next to all the items that have arrived. So for instance, let's say I want to look at this shirt. So I click on the little picture icon. And here I can see all the detailed images that the agents have made for me from the item that has arrived. And that's how you check your quality control pictures. So then you can just close the tab. If you think, okay, that's okay, well, fine, then you can keep it, you don't need to do anything. If there's anything wrong with the item, or you would like to return or exchange the item, all you need to do is click on the little text balloon here, and then you can say, and then you can write a message to your agent and say, okay, well, can you exchange this? Or alternatively, if you want more QC pictures, as they say here, just put a note and say, okay, can you make a picture of this perspective, or from the inside, whatever. So now next part is, once we have everything in our warehouse, we're going to make a parcel and we're going to ship it to us. So for that, you select the items that you want to ship to your house. So for instance, I want to ship these 4, or I just want to ship everything. So for now, I'm just going to select these 4 items. Then you select submit to ship. Select yes. And now what you do is you scroll down, you select your shipping line. So for me, I'm just going to use FedEx because I always use FedEx. And then here, because I'm in Europe, I can say my declared value. So I'm going to say, well, let's do $50. If you want to do an invoice, you can say let Basetao do it. And then you can make a note to say, okay, well, please just do it like this or do it like that. You can make the invoice yourself, so then they give you a template and you can fill it in yourself and then you can upload it. Or if you say no need, then you don't need them or yourself to make an invoice. So if you ship by DHL, RMX, FedEx, Basetao will automatically make an invoice for free. So now you've selected your line, you've added your address, you say you accept your risk. If you want to ship it insured, make sure to keep this box checked. If you don't want it insured, you could just leave it out and they will take out the insurance fee. And then all you need to do is you say submit to ship, and then they will start packing your order. If there's anything, they will let you know through a message, and then after a few days you will get your tracking code and it will be shipped to you. And that is how you use Basetao to get your replicas to your house.